Oh my goodness, this smells amazing and it sounds amazing.
Is unfit even for criminal POWs. Fraser spent.
I don't know what it is about shelling peanuts, but they taste so much better when you shell them yourself. I think it's a metaphor for life. You just enjoy things a lot more when you have to work for them. All right, I got a little Indian butter curry and some instant rice to go with my lamb here. I'm gonna start boiling that up. Oh, all right, gonna pull this lamb shake out and just let it rest here by the fire for a little bit. Let's take a peek. Oh. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful.